According to a study published by the American Psychological Association, non-physical characteristics such as personality have a greater influence on attraction to a romantic partner for women. So while men are usually attracted to physical appearance first, and that's the most important thing for most men, women place greater importance on non-physical traits like personality, meaning that a man's character and behavior can significantly increase a woman's attraction to him. Additionally, another important quote here is that initial judgments of physical attractiveness can be influenced by non-physical factors such as personality traits. So if a woman doesn't initially find you that physically attractive, she can literally start to look at you as more attractive if you're displaying the type of behavioral traits that women are attracted to. Another quote, personality information produced significant changes in ratings of physical attractiveness for attractive, neutral, and unattractive targets. So that means if the man was good looking, that's what they mean by attractive. Neutral, that's like an average looking guy. And unattractive, which some people may say is ugly. Essentially, the man's personality traits significantly changed the rating that women were giving him in terms of physical attractiveness. So they're not talking about emotional attractiveness. They're literally rating his physical attractiveness higher if he actually has an attractive personality or attractive behavior. A separate study also found the same thing. Behaviors of a target person increase attractiveness, and in the study they were talking about facial attractiveness, right? When a woman interacts with you, she can literally look at you and initially say no, but then start feeling attracted to traits such as confidence, assertiveness, or you using what I call playfully challenging humor, you displaying masculine charm, and so on. There are so many traits that you can display, but when you start displaying traits that trigger attraction inside of a woman, then she literally starts to look at your face as more handsome. And it's so important that you understand that most men aren't looking for those sorts of traits in a woman, right? Most men don't care if the woman is insecure or confident. They just don't care. Another quote from that study, personality increased the rated facial attractiveness, replicating a previous report. And finally, another study, women's preferences for male faces are associated with their preferences for personality traits. So, for example, confidence and assertiveness, both of which were mentioned in the study. So as a man, it's very important for you to understand that a woman's attraction to you does work differently compared to your attraction towards a woman. You have to be able to understand how the reality around you really works. You don't have to be perfect looking and be a tall, handsome model or a perfectly muscular man in order to attract women. You can make women feel attracted to you by displaying the sort of emotionally attractive traits that literally cause the woman to look at your face and your appearance as being attractive, right? Because she's feeling attracted to you in the way that is the most important to women. And as a result, she starts looking at your appearance in a more positive light. And that's why you'll often hear women say, I wasn't initially attracted to him, but once we started talking, we clicked. There was a spark, we fell in love, and the rest is history. And what she's essentially saying is that she didn't find him physically attractive initially, but he made her feel attracted by displaying traits that women actually place the most amount of importance on. All you have to do is display attractive traits and shoot your shot. That's how guys all over the world get themselves a girlfriend or a wife, even when the guy is not successful in life or when he doesn't have the perfect physique. All you have to be able to do is make a woman feel some attraction for you and shoot your shot. The more attraction you make her feel, the more she looks at your face as being attractive. For example, she may have had an initial judgment of your face as not being the sort of face that she would typically find handsome or not being her type. But when you interact with her and you display the non-physical traits that most women place the most importance on, she literally starts to look at you as a handsome, sexy man. You are attractive to her. She likes the way that you make her feel, and that's why you'll often see guys with women and wonder, how the heck did he get her? What is going on? In almost all cases, it's simply because he displayed the sort of non-physical traits that cause a woman to feel attracted, and then he just had the courage to shoot his shot, and as a result, he's gotten himself a lover, girlfriend, or wife. It's not any more complicated than that.